Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be discussing some price points which I think you should be getting in or you should be looking for if you want to invest into Quant. If this is your first time here, make sure to drop a like on this video and also subscribe because that really motivates me to make more videos just like this one. And also, if you're serious about investing into the cryptocurrency space, make sure to join my Patreon. The link will be down in the description. Anyways, now let's get back to the video and let me tell you what price points you should be aiming for and what is my personal strategy as well. Anyways, if you check out the price of Quant, you can see that we are currently down by roughly 5% in the last 24 hours. This is mainly because of Bitcoin, because we have fallen from about 23,800 mark to now upon 23,200 mark, and that is why we are seeing a fall with the Quant coin as well. The market cap of this project is absolutely insane and the trading volume looks pretty decent as well. Now, what sparks the interest into this project for many people and for me personally as well is the max supply of the project. Now, the max supply of the project is really low. It's just about 14 million or say 14.5 million, which is absolutely insane, and it is really low in the crypto space in general because we have been seeing projects which have unlimited max supply or which have like billions in max supply. So for a big project like Quant, which is targeting massive industries and big money, and only having a max supply of just 14 million is absolutely insane and it's out of the world. Anyways guys, if we scroll down and have a look at some of its charts, you're going to be looking at the 90 days, so that way you can get a brief understanding. Because before this year started, like in 5th November or say early November, we saw that the prices of Quant were basically at the same level. They were at a little bit on the higher end right now, but yeah, basically at the same level, and people were investing into Quant. But after that we had a little bit of the fall and we reached about $95 at the bottom, and this is where a lot of people are saying that the bottom got in. But guys, if you are looking forward to invest into Quant, I would personally suggest you to not wait for that $95 mark or even those mid 80s 50s or anything you have that in mind. Because if Bitcoin goes up, if the crypto markets in general go up, we are not going to be seeing another bottom anytime soon, and we are only going to be going up. This is only if Bitcoin goes up and it does not keeps on falling just like it has in the couple of hours. Anyways, if you check out these charts, you can see that we consolidated over to these price points for a long period of time, and since then, from about 30th December when we had this $104 mark as well, since then we have been trading upwards and we have been going steadily up and up and up. We are up by nearly 50% if you are invested about at $100, which is pretty decent because that is the exact time which I had made my first video on Quant and explaining all about it. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure to check that out because I went into detail. But let's just not get ahead of ourselves, and let me tell you why you should be getting into Quant right now and why right now is the best time to get into the markets. So guys, I'm a firm believer in DCAing your investments into the crypto space. Now this is majorly because I truly believe that no one can time the bottom or they can call the top. So that if we go by that logic, we don't really know if this is going to be the top of the market or if this is going to be the bottom of the market. We don't really know that. So that is why I prefer and I would suggest you all to do the same, is to DCA your investments into cryptocurrencies if you want to go heavy with your investments. Obviously, if you want to just swing trade, there might be some another videos for you out there, but this video is for people who want to make serious gains in the longer time frames and not just in like couple of months or say like 3 to 4 months, 5 to 6 months. Because we are looking at Quant as a whole, and I really want this project to grow, which I'm sure it will be doing because the industry it is targeting is absolutely insane, and the price points it should be reaching in the next market rally is going to be absolutely insane. Now, what are going to be my price points that I would be suggesting you to get in? Of course, make sure you guys get in on $100 if it drops back, but I don't really see it falling down any soon or say anytime in this in this market once again. So I would suggest you to DCA your investments. If you have like about $1,000 to invest into Quant, invest like $50 every single week or $100 every single week, and that way you will be able to get your entry points on like lower price points like these, but you will also be getting your price points on higher prices. This way you will get like an average price of like in which in that case you are basically not losing money, but you are not gaining that much money as well. But this is a really good ways to stay profitable if this is a project you think is going to be doing good in the next market rally, which I'm sure you should be doing because you clicked on this video and you are already interested in Quant. Anyways, if we check out the all-time highs, you can see that this project hasn't fallen by that much. It is only down by 66% from its all-time highs. The other projects I've covered in my videos previously are down by 99.9%, 90%, and in the 90s range. So for this project to be only falling by about 66% is pretty good. Now we are far away from the all-time lows. The early investors are enjoying like a 600x on their money. So if you had invested $1,000 into Quant at all-time lows, your $1,000 investment will be now worth about $650,000, which is absolutely insane, and it's a huge amount of money wherever you live in, whether you might be living in US, whether you might be living in UK, whether you might be living in UAE, any of those countries. It's a huge amount of money around the world. And yeah guys, that is gonna be pretty much it from my side and from this video. I hope I gave you a brief understanding of my strategies and what basically I'm planning to do with Quant in general, because I have some money put into Quant and I truly believe in the project and the industry it is targeting. Now my price strategy is completely simple. I'm DCAing right now and I'm going to be taking my profits when it hits about 1.5k or say $1,500 in price. That is about a 10x from over here. So I mean, it's pretty good. Because if I get those gains, my investment will be up significantly, which all of us wants at the end of the day. Anyways guys, that is gonna be pretty much it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and also join the Patreon, because this is where all the magic happens. In this I will be sharing all of my research. I'm gonna be sharing my analysis, the coins that are on my radar, buy alerts, sell alerts, technical analysis, and different ways from which you can make money in the crypto space. Catch you guys all in the next one, and peace out.